Because it's raining outside, it's the ideal moment for me to switch on my radio and listen to a lo-fi calming mix. Grab a cup of coffee, a blanket, and my favorite book and sit back while this bot makes money in the background and does all of the work for me for free. So in this video, we'll go over step by step how we can use this completely free bot that we've never talked about before for us to make hundreds of dollars per day in a passive manner. You don't need any prior experience because the bot will perform all of the hard work for you. And the insane thing is, it will work all over the world. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. First and foremost, before we get into the step-by-step procedure, I'd want to demonstrate that this tool is trusted by over 30 million individuals all over the world, and a time savings of 75% on average for every writing project. You won't have to spend any money either. So much for that, the first step that we will be doing is to proceed to a website named clearvoice.com. This is the website where you will be paid in real money, so there are no points, coins, or gift cards, only real dollars, so that you can buy whatever you desire. Now, if we're going to similarweb.com, you can see that this platform, clearvoice.com, was visited by more than 500,000 individuals in the past few days. And the good thing here is that individuals were coming from different parts of the globe. As you can see, individuals come from the United States, Mexico, the Philippines, Colombia, Peru, and other 247 more countries. Don't worry, as I previously stated, you won't have to do any of the work since the bot I'm about to offer to you will do everything for you on the autopilot system. This website is a platform where companies, business owners, and entrepreneurs can hire regular individuals like you and me and pay anyone to write the correct content for them. They want you to create various articles and blog posts for them, and they're willing to pay you hundreds of dollars for each article you submit. You don't need any writing abilities to do this. You won't be writing those articles by yourself after all. I'm going to give you a tool that will professionally do all the work for you. And the best part is, it has been proven to work for a lot of individuals all around the world. Now, don't worry, I'm not going to tell you to use any PLR remedies because that doesn't always work anymore. But I have a completely new bot that we never talked about before that will handle all of the jobs for you with a single button click. It literally only takes one click to set everything up, and it will work for you and pay you over and again with this website. If you hover your mouse over the talent network, as soon as you get on this page, you'll notice that they have several categories. As a result, you can write various articles in many categories such as advertising and marketing, finance, healthcare, software and tech, retail, and many more. So, in ClearVoice, they'll cover all of these different categories. All you need in this platform to continue to the next page is to click on Join the Talent Network right here, and it will send you to a page where you can learn more about the advantages of working as a freelancer in ClearVoice. As you can see, this platform right here is partnered up with Paysa, Carfax, LifeLock, and many more legitimate websites. We will be concentrating solely on writing those articles. As a result, you might frequently get paid over $500 for each article you create. And the best part is that if you stick around until the end of the video, you'll get a bot that will take care of everything for you. It will write professional articles in any niche for you for completely free. As an outcome, you can charge others hundreds of dollars for those articles and profit every day. We'll go over how that works, but first and foremost, you'll need to register as a freelancer in a ClearVoice by entering your full name and last name, and then click this Get Started button. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Once you already sign up on clearvoice.com, this is how your account will look like. On the upper portion, you can see your name, where in my case, it's Online Money Mastery. And on the left, you'll see your social media accounts. If you have a YouTube account, you can add it on your Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook accounts. The more accounts you add, the better your chances of getting recruited and the more money you'll make. As a result, I strongly advise you to add as many social accounts as possible. simply click on Edit Info right here to add or alter your profile photo, and then upload whatever profile picture you desire. To begin making money online, you must first complete your CV. Right now, it's going to be 15% for me, as you can see. Because I have my name and a profile photo, the more information you provide about yourself, the better your CV will be. And once you get it to 100, you'll be able to start making money. Now, all you have to do is start adding content to improve your CV. Just maneuver your mouse on the lower right portion of the site and click this one right here. Doing so, this will pop up. You can simply paste the link or drag the article you just created. I know that you might be thinking right now about the articles to be uploaded to this platform. Well, don't worry because you can have that done for completely free. Let me show you how. Now, all you need to do is go to Google and you'll consider which niche you'd like to concentrate on, whether it's artificial intelligence or technology, and so on. Let's say I want to concentrate on the business niche. For instance, let's pretend I'm looking for business tips for beginners. I will enter business tips for beginners and hit enter right here. Now, if you search for that word, you'll get all of these articles. As you can see, there are an infinite number of articles you may use. As a result, you'll never run out of content from which you can use to earn money online. Now, I realize that this is all a bit perplexing. But bear with me because I'm going to show you exactly how to accomplish it step by step. You can't just copy and paste someone else's article into Clear Voice, since you'll be in major copyright trouble and won't be able to make any money. For example, I will choose this article right here. All I want to do now is copy this part right here. Now, I'll move on to the free bot, which will rewrite this text for me with a single button click. Just go to Google and enter killbot.com. In this section, you can practically paste whatever text you want. You can even upload a document in its entirety if you want to. In my case, I will paste the text here and click on the paraphrase right here. With only one click of a button, you'll be able to see that it's been rewritten for me. All I need to do is click on the copy right here and proceed to the next step. Now, all you need to do is open up a new Google form and paste the text. Then now, go back to the website where we find the article. Copy it, go to Killbot, paste it, and click paraphrase. Then, go back here in Google Docs and paste it. Just repeat this process until you are done paraphrasing the whole article. Once you're done, you can now download the said document. Just maneuver your mouse to the upper left portion of the site and click on File right here. Go to Download below and select the document PDF. After you download the said document, you need to go back to clearvoice.com and upload your article. Just click on Add Content right here, upload the file, enter the category, and click on Update right here at the bottom. And that's it! You will now earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars online. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.